What's up, y'all? So I've made a few videos of me talking about the difference in flying drones of different KV and different size and weights and everything. So today I'm gonna show y'all in real time. So this is the drone that I practice with. It has a higher KV and more responsive motors. I practice with this because in my mind, if you can control a drone with higher KV, more responsive motors, when you go to one with lower KV motors and slightly less responsive, you can control it better. At least that's the way it feels when I fly them. So I'm gonna elaborate a little bit with y'all. These two drones, the only real difference in the motors is this is a 2207 1960 kV, and this is a 22.6 by 6.5 kV. So it's like an extra 0.5 on the motors on both of them, and the KV on it is 1980. But seemed like it's not that much, but it's a big difference in feel. This feels way more responsive and powerful. This feels slightly less responsive and powerful. So I'm gonna show y'all in real time. I'm gonna fly this one first, and then I'm gonna fly this one second. All right, so here we go. Let me plug it in.
Telemetry recovered.
First drone is gonna be the higher KV drone. I can feel the difference, but we'll see if y'all can see the difference in a higher KV versus a lower KV. All right, this one's going first. Make sure you always just make sure all the motors are spinning before you fly, because if you put this thing close to yourself, me personally, I've plugged it in, thought that all the motors were spinning, got ready to fly, flipped out. You don't want to hit yourself with it, so always do that first. All right, higher KV. That was the higher KV motor. Now we're gonna switch to the lower KV. And you can see, like, at times when I got close to the ground, I had that extra KV and extra power to kind of avoid hitting the ground. Now we're gonna go with the lower KV drone. I'm doing this in real time, so you can see the difference in real time. Y'all just bear with me. I know this modern internet got people impatient and they want you to edit out all the parts where you're just not doing action, but nah, patience is a virtue. You can't rush nothing in FPV. You got to take your time with it. So if you're impatient, I'm sorry. Just skip ahead or go watch another video where they know how to edit real good. But I'm showing you this in real time. All right, strapped up, ready to go. Remember, test those motors before you put the goggles on. All right, we're good. right, y'all. I'm not sure if y'all can really see the difference in that, and I forgot to mention, it is a slight learning curve between different drones of different KVs and different sizes and everything. I mean, it's just a 5-gram difference, but the KV, it's a slight learning. Usually I don't do this back to back like that. I might fly 1 or 2 packs with one and then I switch to the other, but most of the time I fly this for 4 or 5 packs and then I switch to that drone. But hope y'all learned something from that. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.